Hey there. Just wanted to make a quick video about how you can start making your own custom website. And I'll give a couple examples and show you some good resources. I'm in my VS Code right now. What I want to do is make a new file. Let's just call this example.html. So HTML is the tag to reference that it's going to be HTML code. And then in here, I'm going to go to my web browser, go type in W3 schools HTML starting point. All right. Oh, starting point. All right, let's go to the top here. All right, let's go to HTML home. Okay, perfect. So this home default. So here, this is what HTML is. So HTML is what every website contains. This is an example of just like getting something to render on a page. So let's do this real quick. I'm going to steal this code. You can also try it yourself if you want to do it in their web browser. But I'm going to go into here and paste this into my example.html. So now that that's saved, with VS Code, there's a really cool package that you can download. It's over here on extensions. It's called HTML Preview. So if you click on here and you install it, what this allows you to do is do Control-Shift-V inside your HTML, and this will render the page for you. So I have this installed already. So I'm going to go back to my code example and do Control-Shift-V. And this is that demo code that popped up. Just as an example, I have my website code here, my home.html. If I do Control-Shift-V, I can see my entire website from this IDE. So you can tinker around and play with things and learn a bunch of new information, especially with W3 Schools. It has everything in here that you could possibly want to learn or do with your website. There are three main components of a website. The HTML is kind of like the structure of everything. There's CSS to make everything pretty, so like colors and backgrounds and stuff like that, and JavaScript, which this will give your code functionality. A good example, I think I have it pulled up right here. So yeah, like HTML, if you think about it in this reference, is like the skeletal structure of a body. The JavaScript would be like the brain and the muscles and the nerves to kind of like trigger events like moving your fingers or moving your arm back and forth. And then CSS is styled to make it pretty. So we can take all this stuff and then make it look great on the outside. So within my code, as an example, I have a link to my CSS sheet. So my CSS, and then it determines like the classes that I use for everything. So in here, it has like all the colors, the calculations to place things on the page, and you can steal things and tweak them and make them work to your benefit, which is a lot of fun. Takes a lot of playing with things, but there's some pretty intense calculations for some things. But if you Google's your best friend and you can figure out how to do anything, which is fun. That's pretty much the main starting point. So if you install these things and you want to tinker around and play with and create your own web page, it's a great starting point to lay something out. Maybe in another video, I'll talk about like domains and hosting services and how you can actually get something up onto an actual website with a .com or something. Hope this was useful. If you have any other questions or you want me to get more in depth with anything, just let me know and I'll keep trying to make some more videos to help people out. Hope you have a great day. Take care.